Today, we're going to be talking about Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice. This juice has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, thanks to its numerous health benefits. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice. What is Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice? Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice is a type of juice that is made from tart cherries. Tart cherries are different from sweet cherries, as they have a more sour taste. Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice is made from whole tart cherries, including the skin and pulp, which contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients. Benefits of Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice. There are numerous health benefits associated with Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice. Firstly, it can help with inflammation and reduce muscle soreness, making it popular among athletes. Secondly, it has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration, thanks to its high levels of melatonin. Additionally, it can help to lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Finally, it's been shown to boost immunity and improve gut health. How to incorporate Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice into your diet? So, how can you incorporate Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice into your diet? One way is to simply drink it as a juice. It's available in several different flavors, so you can choose one that you like the most. Another way to use it is as a mixer for smoothies, cocktails or mocktails. You can even use it to flavor your yogurt or oatmeal in the morning. In conclusion, Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice is a delicious and nutritious juice that has numerous health benefits. Whether you're an athlete, looking to improve your sleep, or just want to boost your overall health, Cheribundi Tart Cherry Juice is definitely worth a try. So, if you haven't already, be sure to check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.